Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for November 1st. We are looking at the EURUSD first. This particular pair, let me show you what we're going to be trading on it. We have a trend line here that's developed over the past probably month, I guess, overall. And then if we zoom in, you can see that we made a low today during this session. We had a reversal bar here, closed lower today. I do believe that we will see it move lower from there. Looking for a short at 129.22 and then looking to exit down here at the 128.94 level. Looking for a quick 26 pips or so. So let's take a look at this. Let me grab my pointer there. About 27 points or so around the 128.96 level. Definitely want to go to break even as we hit that 0-0 level of 12900 because it could bounce from there, but that's a good 20 pips into the move. Go to break even, you should be fine, and then when it touches this, go ahead and exit out of it. Now, as far as any other pairs that I'm looking at, looking for the pound to reverse. It created a moved much higher today, created a reversal bar, looking for it to move to the downside as well. Now, as far as news analysis go, we have the net change in employment for Canada being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Consensus on that one is that it has moved down from 52.1K down to 10K. Then we have their unemployment rate for October being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern as well. Consensus is that it's going to hold at 7.4%. Then we have the U.S. non-farm payroll for October being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Consensus on that one is that it has moved higher from 114K up to 125K. Unemployment rate showing a slight increase from 7.8% up to 7.9%. Of course, if the unemployment rate comes out better than 7.8%, that could really move the market. So keep an eye on these pairs going into this next session. Okay, as far as what I'm looking at from a range perspective, in the U.S. Japanese yen pair, surged to the upside today. Did not break previous resistance. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 80.42, possibly as low as 79.46. Look for some resistance around 80.28 and look for some support around 79.65. Now the EURUSD pair, this pair potentially going as high as 130.35, possibly as low as 128.71. Look for some resistance around 129.95 and look for some support around 129.05. Now the pound US dollar pair did create a reversal bar. We are looking for it to potentially go up and hit some resistance around 161.75, possibly moving lower, hitting support around 160.65. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed up just by a little bit. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.9380, possibly as low as 0.9254. Look for some resistance to the upside around 1.9350 and look for some support around 0.9275. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.